Hi, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to add a contact us page or how to create a contact us page into your blog. So let's come to the computer screen, and here is my Blogger admin panel, and you have to go to the pages, and in pages you will find a new page option. Click here and put the title of your page. In my case, contact us, and put your contact us information. For example, I'm going to copy it from here and will paste here. So this is a way how to make a contact us page. You have to save this. Now you can preview this contact us page. Here is it. If you want to put some form here, you can do also. Click here and view its HTML form and enter it. Here is the code of my HTML form. Copy it and paste it here. And now save this. Let me preview it. Oh, actually this was a wrong code. Let me correct it. I'm going to delete it and we'll do some code here. Here is my HTML code. Copy and put it here. So this is the form code. Let me preview it. Here is, you can see the form is here and your contact information is here. So this is a way how to add or how to create a contact us page into your blog. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.